Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a microwave chocolate lava cake. It is a chocolate lava cake that can be made in the microwave. It's so quick and easy to make, so let's get started. So into the mug, add in the butter and chocolate chips, and heat them in the microwave for 30 seconds until the butter has melted and the mixture is hot. Then take them out of the microwave and stir them until they're combined and the chocolate has melted. You can microwave it for longer if you have to. Then add in the vanilla extract, salt, and cocoa powder, and mix them in until they're combined. Then set it aside and let it cool slightly. Then in a small bowl, add in the egg and sugar. Then beat them with an electric mixer on high speed for 5 minutes. Then add a little bit of the egg mixture into the chocolate mixture and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the rest and gently fold it in until it's just combined. Then place it into the microwave and microwave it for 45 seconds. You don't want to go longer than that or it will cook all the way through. It will still look pretty raw on top, but that doesn't mean it's undercooked. And add a scoop of ice cream to the top too if you like. And that's how to make a microwave chocolate lava cake. Check out my channel for more amazing recipes and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.